Hello everyone, today I am going to show you another contemporary jewelry using M-Seal. Firstly, I have already made a round pendant and this is a stamp, round cookie cutter. Here I am going to spread the clay. This can be thinner because it's not for the pendant, it's just an attachment on the pendant. This stamp I got from Amazon, so you just have to firmly press it, then use the cookie cutter to cut it. Let this dry for 3 to 4 hours. Now I am going to attach the tube of the pendant and the round pendant together. For this I will be using little bit of M-Seal and some amount of Fevicol. If you want, you can mark center with a pencil. Be very careful because if the center goes wrong, the pendant will not stay well when you wear it. So attach this together, front and back, and then place it on a flat surface. Now I am going to make some impressions with finisher tool. Now this is the stamp part which I have already made and dried. Apply some Fevicol. Use some amount of M-Seal to make it stick firmly. You can also use heraldate adhesive, but that will take at least 5 hours to dry. So now start using glass paint on top of the pendant. The procedure is available on my previous video. Use a straw to blow around and spread it evenly. Dry it for around 5 to 6 hours. Once you're done with the glass painting, it should have a glossy finish like this. Now I have painted the center part with black acrylic paint and I'm applying copper dust on it. Now use a black color thread. Here I am using double thread and a string wire. It's also called gear wire. So make the gear wire longer so that it can go through the longer tube. Just use it like a needle and pull it out. Now measure the thread equally. Stretch it as much as possible and mark the center. Now I am going to make a simple knot to keep the pendant intact. This way the pendant will not move around when you are wearing. Now I am going to make random simple knots to give a design to it. When you are making multiple knots on the rope, make sure you take the rope in excess, because the more knots you put, the length of the rope will start reducing. So here I am making double knot so that I can add some beads and then it can stay intact there. had it clearly. If you're not able to fix it, then you can use a gear wire to insert the beads. With the same old technique, you can try and push it inside. Now make the final knot really strong so that the beads doesn't move around. And push the knot inside the beads so that it's not seen outside. Repeat the same procedure both the sides. I've made a simple earring and the pendant is ready. Backside I have painted with acrylic paint, and then here I have put a adjustable thread beads. Just take all 4 corners together and put it inside the thread beads. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.